3 months ago, this lioness left her pride to give birth on her own. Young cubs are vulnerable, especially to other lions. But now that they're a little bigger, she's ready to return. Providing for a growing family isn't easy as a single mom. She's having to hunt more often, and that means leaving her cubs and heading out alone. On the open savannah, prey is easy to spot, but so is she. She must be patient, with incredible night vision, 6 times better than her own. Operating alone, she must get as close as possible before she strikes. Hunting at night, a single lioness has almost as much success as a pride. The problem is holding on to her kill. Lions are the biggest predators on these plains. She can handle 1 or 2 hyenas. But a whole clan? Now that's a different story. It's not just her kill at risk. It's her life. But this lioness is not alone. Her family has found her. With them by her side, she's invincible. Fierce competition on the savannah has forced lions to do something extraordinary. They're the only big cats that live in prides. Females do most of the hunting. The male's main role is defending the family. As long as they stay strong, the cubs should be safe. But peace never lasts long in the world of big cats.